Morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to be taking my daughter to the hospital. She is not feeling well. She developed some sore throat and chest pain akiwa shule. So let's prepare and go. I have already taken my shower and I'm just going to put on the clothes and remove this car, and then I will take you guys along. So let's go. Finally, I can lay my edges. I think I have tried. They look so good. Look at these guys. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah. 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 So this is me. Yeah. So I've worn this green, is it? Yeah, jungle green pant and a black t-shirt, and I have laid my edges. So guys, let's go. Let's go. I'm taking you guys over. So that's my OTD outfit of the day. So guys, see you when we're out.
I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing
Guys, we are still on the waiting bay. The doctor says she has malaria and we are waiting to be told what next after here. Una feel aje? Thank God I brought her to the hospital. I did not just buy medicine from the counter because I could not have known what is aiding her. So that is the good part of coming to the hospital and to be checked. I had already said, guys, in my previous video on fungal infection, that I will not be just buying drugs on the countertop because it really costed me a lot, and I used a lot of money during my head treatment because I used to buy drugs from the counter, but now all the way to the hospital. Yeah, I have this white bag. Imagine guys, I bought this bag at 100 bob Kenya shillings. Yeah, thrift all the way. So guys, let me wait and see. I know we are almost going home. We have been here for an hour. So I'm waiting. Ati? Wacha mambo mengi. Wewe mapochopocho. Yaje? Kwa sana. Nauliza. Bright kia sitting room. But bado tu iko fancy. But bado tu iko fair price.
Hata unajua hiyo lazima ikuwe bright ujue. Kana za ku advice bulb hii.
Gani?
Kaka sahani.
Aka.
Sasa nafikiria nini? Ndio nataka.
Ni waka hiyo.
Right sana. Babu naweza kama
Iko na different.
kuna hiyo ya yellow. Na kuna blight ingine hiyo. Sasa unarudi kwa ile tulikuwa nayo daylight. Hiyo.
Sasa hii lazima fundi akuje atoanishe hiyo yenye iko saa ndio iwekwe.
Ni kahuda tu atatoa. Afunge kahuda ya hii. Hii si kitu kigumu out.
Nimeona hapa nyuma. Haya.
So miaka tu atafunga.
Hata sio kazi hicho.
Ndio kahuda yake.
Sasa hii ni around milioni ngapi?
Kuanzia na 69.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Eyes of mine, trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can.
So guys, we are done with our food. Now we are standing somewhere opposite the market because it is like raining, so tuko hapa tujizuie mvua and then we will be heading home. I'm walking with my toothpick. I've just removed it to talk to you guys. We are somewhere opposite the market. Yeah, that we ate was pork and ugali and it was yummy. Yeah. Mom, food it party. Kunywa dawa. So guys, let me show you the other side of the market because it is almost raining, so that we yeah. Hali hivi.
Silibuza vizuri. Nitakwambia 500.
Na kama 200. Aki mam, sina do ya hii. Kubaia next time.
Niambie sasa nitafanya aje.
There is always next time. So hiyo ndio ya 150. Sile.
Yada mio ya kule.
Sasa sina hiyo 100. Ndio nimesema siku ingine. Sawa mama, niuza pesa mingi. We, kwani kona? I never knew.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. inside of me. In this sense that I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Broken then guidance of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my mystery. I would like to roll with you into the stream. Please don't deny your love makes me feel alive. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try and to change it. I wanna be loved by you. Loved by you. Loved by you. Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside?